Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Katukanis na menchua kakinho nila kay football Sunriser veteran College Aizzol Mizoram banyak kun persya ya kakinho nang te badminton kakintipan kakinho na Mizoram kalawan siya nang ba Shillong banyak kun persya ya ka Sunriser veteran kini gede kirang nila kay San Post nam Shaneng kajinya kun kalong harat san arena mauyong rim haga khasaw bad khasantri unai wing arajar arpusan kajinya nila kay kalong kabiyakat bad kabasyangshit bat ngiyoi bawat Robert Romawia Royte MLA ka Zolnam constituency ubulong teng umintri ki kamila kai sport Mizoram ru badu badon khongshay kumuro kini kirang ila kai wat hakarta ka balahe hindi kidang tubid banrabol kumakalong hi kadang kakin hon ka bajab bakadang kakin hon ka barem hindray haga jinga lang sam kusnam lo I babro ar kikin hon kila ila kai na kabenta ka jing sngotanan ban kilan met om na kabenta ka jing job
Kan ball, okay, easy. Kan thế tục. Lên. Một trang in. Đẹp. Umang. Pressure lang. Cantik. Một trang in. Một trang in. Bola shoot lang. Cantik. Okay. Good pressure. Lên. Là một trăm melon. Miro, Karen. Yes. Shoot ang bola. Shoot. Pressure lang ka. Kan. La tahan. Alak thay. Anh buổi tôi như hay. Kan hiel tu. Pressure. Pressure lang. Stop. Pressure lang. Pressure lang. Oi dari. Hoy ngasan ngam. Come on. Pressure. Niel tu. Mancangin melon. Yes, easy. Melon you. Come on, cang tau. Bola sudah, come on. Cover. Masih ya. Satu kali. Kembero. Lah. Macam melon. Alak, thay. Pressure lang. Good.
Chakra. East Bengal player Chakrabarti. Kamera dekho. That's all.
Can you turn this way also?
The most dangerous player. Very nice.
Kumapuya.
Kau jauh lah tu kan? Kau jauh terus.
Thank you, Pak.
Sampai jalan.
Selamat malam.
Ya, telah kami lagi.
Sampai kalah lah. Yes. Hello. Okay. One. Gandong kim em. Dong kim tiro.
Football, veteran football. And the final goes to Sunriser.
Veteran footballing is very important, and Shillong Sunrisers veterans have come to Mizoram in the year 2017, and we have had wonderful football matches there in Aizawl, and this is our turn to come down to Shillong, and the team comprises of players above 50 years, and we have had wonderful football matches yesterday and today. But unluckily, Aizawl lost to Shillong Sunrisers veterans. We congratulate them. And you see, after competitive footballing, the football lovers and the football players should continue playing in their own pace after 50, after 60, after 40, so that they are, you see, so that they have satisfaction in their own genius, in their own interest of game. So I think it is a high time that all the states promote veteran football, like Shillong, Aizawl, and I would like to invite through this channel the Shillong Sunrisers team also to come to Aizawl again and play the match in Aizawl.
Ka Sunrise kedai ka tim ka belarim ba mengi don pramangi i langba ti man la por ngilong ba Shitham ban ilek kai kan football te bun sin da ka jing don dong ki parok jangi ba chu ilek kai ka leng te ki la khot jangi ro ban wan house nem arja nyom ta la dap nyos nem ai te ngila wan chathe po Mizoram ban ilek kai begini na Mizoram di bon bah ke team ki ba participate umba saw ne san team ki don baklan kita ro ngil la le ngirung final tambang rem mentak kasien ki wan maki sini ngil ai open lap ya kata ka away match ke jongi ni po ke madan hang ni jong ke Ratsan Arena Turf kemudian hani mau yong kepada try dai ba hep ni chot kini tengah siam ba kalong ka ba bit ba banjele kai kampam ya kirang ba marka komandan kala long profesional ba ha dei bat ki kini ka kom siang kini kita ki pair ba bat ki ro Oh, tadi. Kejungi lek ka jungi ka bun sin hi ka dei nam ta ban kilan ni ka met. Ngi lek ka yang ni ngi hoj. I pelong competition kanang bakan long competitive. Dan dang ngi adep ya kata ngi adai ki si parlok hi ki bangi share ki ek badai buat ke sport kam tam ka dei ka buat ka ni football. Buat ka rem ka job kan nam don pading jungi ngi long baik kumtahi. Te ko moblong mentan ru ngi ya sami ki trophies itu unong job champion ber runners up ndre trophy pak ka jo. Mendon jangan player nomor bangi sim baik ba job di bendon baik man ka game mengira kai barem di bendon baik ndre ka jing dai pak ka di bendi kumju te tanta oh itu pun lek yang how ni usnem wan mat how benai February ila bin lek biang setai kenang bang bengin peteng biang kita ke jing dai ke jungi kita ke relationship bat ki bat mendai tang bat kini ba monta ndai kidang don su sibun man kumbala batha man ne kumla batai man ne I ba robot I balong ru man minister jong balong teng ko minister jong ke Mizoram u balai ru babat ke tanat sports la ai kata ke jing kular ba in sai kendu biang bat ngin betengi ke ni ke jing dai jungi kata ke relationship habe dai bat football